When road rage victim Chris Pelkey was brought back to life through AI in a victim statement, it made international headlines. We heard from an ASU professor who is also on the state Supreme Court committee for AI. He says, while in this case it was used tactful and compassionately, it could open the floodgates, he says, for AI.
I am a version of Chris Pelkey recreated through AI that uses my picture and my voice profile.
This week, Chandler road rage victim Chris Pelkey made international headlines when an AI version of him appeared as the last victim statement in the shooter's sentencing. The judge in the case,
I love that AI. Thank you for that.
Gave defendant Gabriel Horcasitas 10.5 years. Immediately after the sentencing, defense attorney Jason Lamb appealed the decision.
And while victims have a right to address the court, reincarnating Chris Pelkey through AI and frankly putting words in his mouth because nobody would know what he was actually going to say, it just felt wrong at many levels.
He added the appellate courts now have a seemingly unprecedented decision to make in the coming months on if the AI video added to the penalty for Horcasitas. The Pelkey family attorney told us by phone she feels the sentencing will be upheld because the written law supports what they did in court. Gary Marchant is an ASU professor who's part of the Arizona Supreme Court Committee on AI.
Do you think there will be a resentencing?
If they determine it was an innocuous error and it didn't change the outcome, that he would have received a penalty, something like this anyhow, then they may just allow it to continue on but say, you can't use these kind of AI created victim statements in the future.
He says that in part because the state Supreme Court has told ABC 15 prior, the use of AI has great potential, but it can hinder or upend justice if used inappropriately. Those who use it, including the courts, are responsible for its accuracy. Marchant echoes that, saying this case has potential to open the AI floodgates.
Even though in this case it was very well-meaning and honest, it could easily cross into, much more dishonest and much more strategic, much more self-serving. So I think we can't set that precedent to allow the fake videos into the court.
Jordan Bonnke, ABC 15, Arizona.